Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Friends, I'm back with another interesting swing trading stock from the banking sector. The stock is retail investors' favorite stock, and the stock is none other than South Indian Bank. South Indian Bank has got excellent potential to give you at least 30 to 45% returns in coming 1 to 6 months. South Indian Bank is one of the earliest banks in South India. It is the first among the private sector banks in Kerala to become a scheduled bank in 1946 under the RBI Act. Guys, in this video, let us see the bank's past year performance and let us analyze the stock technically by using charts, and in the end, I am going to give you levels and targets for taking a swing trade. Before going further, please follow our Telegram channel where I post important updates daily. Also, please follow our pages on Instagram, Facebook, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Don't forget to hit the like button. Your every like gives me motivation to make more and more videos. Now let's come back to the topic. The past 5 years, the stock has fallen heavily. It has given negative returns of minus 57.72%. That means it has been almost crashed by 60%. The main fall in the stock price is mainly due to the reduction in the net income. Here you can see that the net income has been decreased from 334.88 crores from 2018 to 61.90 crores in financial year 2021. Even though the revenue has increased from 7,030 crores to 8,490 crores in financial year 2021. The decrease in the incomes is mainly due to the increased NPA and also due to the long-term debt. But friends, in the last year, financial year 2021, the company was able to decrease its long-term debt from 6,893 crores to 4,108 crores. It is a good move. So guys, in the past 1 year, the stock has given returns of 12.66%. Now let us analyze this stock technically by using charts. Friends, I am using Zerodha for the chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. Guys, I opened South Indian Bank 1-day chart. South Indian Bank is a penny stock, so it is very volatile. So please be cautious while taking this trade. The stock has recently fallen from the levels of 14 and it is presently trading at the level of 8.90. If you see its relative strength index, it is presently at 38.82 and it is racing towards the levels of 40 and it is looking very strong. If you see the MACD indicator, it is about to give you bullish crossover signal. And if you look at its moving average indicators, the stock is trading below all the moving average indicators: 50-day moving average, 20-day moving average, 100-day moving average and 200-day moving average. And guys, from the June month, there has been no significant volumes in this stock. The volumes are very low. If any positive news comes, the volumes may improve and the stock may rally. The stock has got a huge resistance at the level of 9.7. Guys, if the stock remains bullish in the coming session, it can simply break the resistance level of 9.7. Once it breaks, it will trigger a fresh rally. Or else, the stock can retrace back to the levels of 9 and 8.40. Guys, there is another scenario guys. The stock can simply travel sideways like this for at least for a month. And if all the moving average indicators get convergent, the stock can trigger a fresh rally. It can go to the levels of 10, 11 and it can travel beyond the level of 13. So now let's see some levels and targets for taking a swing trade. The buy levels are level 1 8.7, level 2 8.5 and level 3 8.35. And the targets are target 1 9.6, target 2 10, target 3 13. You can keep the stop loss at 8 and the time period you have to hold is 1 to 6 months. Guys, this is a penny stock and please be careful while investing in this stock. And please invest your amount partially at each and every buy level and hold this stock for at least 1 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Guys, recently Murali Ramakrishnan, the MD and CEO of South Indian Bank, has announced that he is very keen on cleaning up legacy book on top priority and is aiming towards growing gold loans. He also says that the total slippages he is expecting is around 2,300 to 2,500 crores and he said that we had slippage of 879 crores in quarter 1 and 531 crores in quarter 2. That means in the remaining 2 quarters is expecting a slippage of 1000 crores. Now let's see the future outlook stated by MD and CEO of South Indian Bank. South Indian Bank is very keen on cleaning up of its NPA, so the company's management has given additional provisions of 160 crores. Also, the management is aspiring to increase its gold loan from 16.7% to 20 to 25% of its total loan book. And company is looking for tie-ups with fintech. Also, bank is planning to strengthen its existing branches and improve its profitability, and also looking for opening new branches at the places where its presence is very low. So guys, management is very keen on cleaning up of its NPAs, and its future outlook seems very good, and technically the stock can be bullish in coming months, so we can expect at least 30 to 40% returns in coming 1 to 6 months. This is all about South Indian Bank guys. If you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. A small disclaimer for you guys. The levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friend.